Welcome back to Life Wars, and welcome back to my new series spotlighting different resources. Now, these videos are going to be just short videos where I show you just one resource that we love. You know I love to share resources with you, but I usually do them in big collection videos. These are going to be just one short one, kind of like my curriculum spotlights, but not as much detail and not as long. So, today's resource, if you have homeschooled young children, you are probably familiar with them, and they are the Bob books. I love these. This one, I don't know if you can tell how well worn it is, but this one this is the very first set, and it's been read by all of my children. So they are well loved and definite favorites. Even now, sometimes my kids will pull these out and read them just for the pleasure of reading something really easy and something that's been a well-loved thing. So, talking about them, what I love about them is that you have your early reader books at the library, but a lot of those, at least with my kids, it's taken a while to get them ready for even the level 1 ones. Like the Learn to Read and My First Readers. These are great before that level. When you open the books, they show you what the new sounds are going to be. And then they do. Now you can see Sam and Cat. Matt and Cat. We love the illustrations in these. They work really well with what the story is, or what the sentence is. Limited in colors, so I like that. It's not really distracting or anything, and the illustrations are simple enough that kids don't get caught up and get distracted by them. But each one tells a nice, complete story, such as it is when your vocabulary is really limited. But they're just great books. This one is Set 2, which is Advanced Beginners. So let me show you. This one is the beginner set, beginning readers. There's also before that My First Reader's Alphabet and My First Pre-Reading Skills, but I'm not familiar with those. We didn't look at those. So, like I said, this is the Advanced Beginners set 2, Advanced Beginners Emerging Readers. In this stage, there's also rhyming words and sight word books. That's true for each of them. So where this one started with Sam and Cat, this one is also this is book 4, this is book 2, so near the beginning of that set. And the first sentence is, Tip was Tim's dog. And again, you can see still not a lot of color to them. The colors do match what the front of the cover is. And then, if you are a Costco member, they have collections there. And these are bigger, and they take titles from more than one set. So this is collection 3, and it has stories from books 4 and, from sets 4 and 5. So the size is nice. I mean, I love the size of this because it's perfect for little hands. But this one's kind of nice, too, to have something oversized. The quality I found is the same with them. We have a couple sets from a couple of the collections from Sam's Club, and then I think 2 of the other sets. So like I said, so these are from sets 4 and 5. So we're up to sentences like hand in hand they went in wind. They always have at the end, and my kids all loved that when they were little. I'll have the link to them over on Amazon. As far as I know, that's the best price. I've looked at a few different sites, and that's where I've seen them the best price. They do have these available through Kindle if you use a Kindle or the Kindle app on a tablet. And the library has them. You may be able to find them on Overdrive for your library if you want it on an app, and then of course at your library. At our libraries, they've always been just like one book at a time, which can be a little frustrating if you are working in a set. Really need it for practice. You may not have very much choice, rather than checking out a box. But of course, that depends on your library. But our experience has been just one at a time. So I have either used them on the Kindle app. We love to use the Kindle app on the iPad for younger readers because you can do a 2-page spread on them, and they make the pictures clear. You can see the pictures and all the words for a 2-page spread. We just do that through the Kindle app, check them out through Overdrive, and then put them onto the app on a tablet. So, those are the Bob books. Again, links down below, and thanks for watching.